I believe we all have heard about this particular sentence once in our lives कि आज इस साल का सबसे बड़ा दिन या फिर सबसे बड़ी रात है। तो कभी सोचा है कि आखिर ये होता कैसे? ऐसे कौन से कॉन्सेप्ट्स हैं जो इन फिनोमिनन्स के लिए जिम्मेदार हैं? हेलो लर्नर्स, दिस इज नवीन कुमावत. Welcome to Topics. So as we have discussed in our previous video that revolution plus tiltation of the earth से हमें पता चलता है कि seasons कैसे change होते हैं and the variation in the length of days and nights in different hemispheres. So जब हम variation की बात करते हैं तो basically geography में हम इन्हें दो terms से जाना करते हैं. The first one is equinox and the second one is solstice. So what is equinox? Basically अर्थ की ऐसी पोजीशंस जब दोनों हेमिस्फेयर्स में रात और दिन की जो लेंथ या ड्यूरेशन है वो लगभग सेम हो, और ऐसे फिनोमिनन को हम बोलते हैं इक्विनॉक्स. तो अर्थ की ऐसी कौन सी पोजीशन है कि जब हमें इक्विनॉक्स जैसी कंडीशंस देखने को मिलती है? तो हर साल अर्थ पे ऐसी दो इक्विनॉक्स कंडीशन बनती है. पहली आती है ऑन द 21st of March एंड द सेकेंड वन ऑन द 23rd of September. It happens when the sun rays hit the equator of the earth directly, resulting in the formation of two seasons, springs and autumns. So during the transition from winter to summer, we experience the beautiful season of spring, and during the transition from summer to winter we experience the beautiful season of autumn. These spring and autumn play crucial roles in the life cycles of many organisms, influencing behaviors such as migration, reproduction and hibernation. These seasonal changes also affect agricultural activities and natural phenomena like flowering and leaf shedding. ये तो हमने जान लिया इक्विनॉक्स के बारे में. अब हम जानेंगे what is solstice. So basically अर्थ की ऐसी पोजीशंस जब सन अपनी पीक पे होता है in both the hemispheres, and it happens only 2 times every year, commonly known as winter solstice and summer solstice. The first one is the summer solstice, which happens around 21st of June, the time when the sun rays hit the Tropic of Cancer of the earth directly, causing the longest day in the northern hemisphere. और जब northern hemisphere में longest day है तो southern hemisphere में सबसे छोटा दिन होगा. The second one is the winter solstice, which happens around 22nd of December, the time when the sun rays hits the Tropic of Capricorn of the earth directly, causing the longest day in the southern hemisphere. और जब southern hemisphere में longest day है तो northern hemisphere में सबसे छोटा दिन होगा. Let's solve some of the previous year questions from exams. You can pause the video and share your answers in the comments below. Starting from the first, which one of the following statements is correct? And the answer is only one, because in the month of December, the sun is overhead of the Tropic of Capricorn, causing winter solstice in the northern hemisphere, not the summer solstice. Moving with the second one, on what date does the summer solstice fall during the year when the path of the sun in the sky is the farthest north in the northern hemisphere? And the answer is 20th or 21st of June. That's all about today's video. See you in the next. And yes, keep learning.